Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to install Blender software on your Windows 10 PC. So before you continue, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, Tech Hub for tech tips every day. So let us open our favorite browser, and in the Google search bar, type in Blender software. And here it is going to bring you the official website for Blender. I will share the link in the description. That is www.blender.org. So let us open this website, and here it is going to show you the latest version of Blender, that is Blender 4.2 LTS. So it is an open software. Let us click on download. Here it is going to show you download for different operating system. So you have for macOS, Linux, and for us we are going to choose the one for Windows. So click on download. So it is going to download in our downloader. So here you can donate to the Blender software developers, since it is an open source. So you can feel free to click on the donate button. So let us close this browser. And yes, our download is complete. So let us open this download. Here it is going to bring the installation panel. So here we can click on next. You can always read through this license agreement, and if you are okay with it, you can click on accept and click on next. Here it is going to show us the default installation folder. If you have no any reasons for changing it, you can leave it as it is and click on next. Click on install. So here our installer is going to install Blender software for us. In a few seconds it is going to be done. So here it is going to ask you for the administrative rights. You can click on yes. So it is updating the different components and copying the new files. All that is involved in the installation part. Yeah, so it will bring finish when it is done. You can see we have completed the Blender soft setup wizard. So you can click on finish. So here when you look at our desktop, we have Blender 4.2. You can open it for the first time. Yeah, so we have managed to install our Blender software on our Windows 10 PC. This is how it looks. So in case you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe, like and comment for tech tips every day. Thank you for watching.